A custom warning is, as we see here, we create a class custom warning that has the input a warning, and we try to write some code here that could warn the user of something we have that would like a customized method or information about a particular line of code. So here we are saying this is my custom warning, and then we pass the class custom warning to warnings.warn, and it will raise this custom warning error, which will have the description. In this case, we have this is my custom warning. So that was it for these series of videos on the errors that are in the docs. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do let me know. I hope to see you all in videos in other series on this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.